Most people don't get sick suddenly. They get sick slowly, every day, without noticing. Drinking juices, eating healthy, taking supplements, but still feeling tired, low, or unwell. That's because what you drink matters less than why you drink it. Your body doesn't need random juices. It needs the right nutrients for the right problem. Let me show you simple juice combinations that actually support common health issues. If you have anemia, your body needs iron and absorption support. Try beetroot, apple, and carrot juice. If your immunity feels low, your body needs antioxidants and vitamin C. Try orange, lemon, and ginger juice. If you struggle with digestion or bloating, your gut needs enzymes and calming support. Try pineapple, ginger, and mint juice. If you have high blood pressure, your blood vessels need better flow. Try beetroot and pomegranate juice. If you feel tired or low on energy, your body needs natural fuel, not sugar spikes. Try banana, dates, and almond milk. These are not cures, but when taken consistently, they support the body the way it's designed to heal. Try just one juice for one problem for 7 days and notice how your body responds. If you want more simple, science-based health tips, please subscribe this channel.